So what do you want to work in the boneyard for?
I just need something to do.
Are you a recovering drug addict, an alcoholic? Is there some kind of substance abuse issue here?
No, I'm sort of semi-retired. I've got time on my hands. I'd like to work outdoors.
Do we learn more from our mistakes or from our successful actions?
What do you think?
Successful action. We learn more from success than failure.
That may be true, but it's also not the question.
What do you expect from me after I die?
What's wrong? What are you talking about?
Your uncle is having his last will and testament drawn up
And now he's gone to the church,
to discuss the cemetery.
which means
You weren't always the quiet and unassuming elder statesman of American romantic comedy, kiddo. I seem to recall a lot of broken hearts.
What are you so down about? Go talk to the guy. He might be loaded. You might be in line for an inheritance.
You think he's worth anything?
Got a pretty long resume.
You still dating the superhero?
It would be interesting to play a regular human being.
Who is questioning your character?
The church over near me. I want to work in their graveyard as an assistant groundskeeper.
Interesting.
Yes, exactly. Facing death, finally, Joe sees life in all of its terrifying immensity and beautiful detail.
What's this?
Extra ultra light.
Only 62 calories per bottle.
It's the new thing.
Beer flavored water.
Have one.
And there's a letter from the hospital.
See these trees, these hedges, this grass? You let this stuff get out of control, pretty soon you got nothing more than a small patch of wilderness. A wasteland.
Good God. He's such a stoic.
So, what's this I hear? Dying?
Wow. This is really getting out of hand.